Yeah, CSV, we learned something about CSV and then jump to JSON file here. I think number 3 here. Yeah, I'm going to describe it really quickly. So here, this is the way we import the JSON file as the string, which is identical as the dealing with the CSV file. Okay. And then we have a special function like JSON. Yeah, like JSON. So this just follow it. JSON has the load function. We need to dump the JSON, and then it give us a JSON object. So as we already learned, right? This is a sort of a dictionary. So if you make a photo with dictionary, the item is always key value, right? Right. So that's why we are able to get this number, this data. So actually, the JSON file is like this. Where are you? Here, yeah. This is the JSON file that I create, which is about the third place in Cambridge area. So this is as I said, we have a curly brace, meaning that this is the sort of dictionary, and the dictionary has the other dictionary, yeah. And then the other dictionary has it has a list, yeah. Inside of this list has the other dictionary, stands for like latitude, longitude. It can be customized whatever you want, actually. So I mean, I make some like a parser in order to extract the information from the Google API, and then some Python code. What it does here is basically decompose the structure. Yeah. So anyhow, so in this fashion, we are able to get the index of the third place here. Yeah. And then this component is basically give you index and then pass the latitude and longitude. Yeah, it's nothing special. So in this case, 23, right? What is 23? Stadium. Yeah. So we basically trying to pass the position information by the keyword, which is the stadium. Yeah. And then latitude, longitude, you can visualizing. Click the right button and then zoom. Yeah, this is the Cambridge area actually. So other than that, the other way around is that this is the special component. I know we have this category, but is there any category that contain CAR word, and then we can just extract the information? So in this case, we have this kind of data. So let's say, let me read a little bit. Car rental, which includes car, right? Hair care, which is actually is wrong, right? Because we are not looking for care, but it has a car, CAR. That's why they collect this information, right? So we have a car dealer, car repair, things like that, car washer. So we have this many data, and then we can visualize it. So we can just inject this this index to this index here. Yeah. So now this point, this is the actually Cambridge area. This is Boston. Yeah. This is the river. So we have this data. Yeah. So I mean, based on your visualization process or purpose of the visualization, you guys can create your own sort of the algorithm. Like let's say we wanted to visualizing a car washer which is closest to some particular area, let's say park, for example, or residential place, for example, or stadium, for example. This is all about like the strategy to visualizing or filter out. Okay. So this is nothing special. I mean, this is the data that we just did with the CSV file. This is a JSON file and car things. So please revisit the grasshopper definition and then play with it, mesh with it, and correct the component, and then try to fix component. Okay. Let's jump to other example.